Hi, everyone, and welcome to General Psychology in the spring of 2024. My name is Delia Wallace, and I will be your professor this semester. I'm so excited to welcome you to class and to a new semester and to a new year. This course, which is General Psychology Psych 2301, Section 063, is a in-person class. So we are going to meet and you can see it right here, Tuesday and Thursday from 9:25 to 10:40 in the Moody Learning Center building, room 628. So Moody is the one of the tallest buildings on campus, kind of in the center of campus. Most of our buildings have reddish colored brick on it. Moody is that tall white building that says San Antonio College on top of it. So make your way up to the 6th floor. And the best way for me to describe 628, because these hallways are pretty confusing, is it is on the outside hallway. So our classroom sits where when you look out the windows, you're looking out over the parking lot that sits right outside of Moody. So if that helps you at all, if you're making your way up the stairs or the escalator or through the elevator, just make your way to that outside hallway, and you should find 628. So I will see you for the first time next Tuesday. Let me get that date for you. On the day that classes begin, which is January 16th, at 9:25 and 6:28. So what to expect the first day? I am going to go over our course with you. I'm going to go over how to navigate what I have in Canvas for you. So even though it's a face-to-face course, I supplement with having your grades and some of your assignments in Canvas. We'll do lots of work in class, some outside of class, and all together you'll always be able to see what your grade is in my class and have all of the materials at your fingertips. So in class, I'll go over how to navigate the course in Canvas. I will also talk to you about setting up your Connect account. So for this course, you don't need to come to class next week with a book or anything like that already purchased. Included in your tuition, we bundle your ebook as well as access to Connect. So I'll go over in class on Tuesday how to set up that Connect account using this button right here. It's really simple, and you may have even already used Connect for another class and have that already set up. And we'll talk about what we're doing for the first week. So we won't go over curriculum. I'll introduce you to what you'll be learning in psychology and some of the topics we'll be talking about and some of the assignments to look forward to. But I won't start chapter 1 on Tuesday. Okay, so we'll just kind of introduce ourselves, get comfortable with navigating the course and any questions that you may have. So my classroom is in 628, but my office is right around the corner from our classroom in Moody Learning Center 614. This is my direct phone number. So if you want to reach me, and this right here is my email address. You can also, if you're familiar with Canvas, use the inbox over here, and so you don't have to look for my email address and just email the instructor for your psychology class, and it will make its way to me. So let me know if you have any questions ahead of time. Otherwise, I really am anxious and looking forward to starting our class next Tuesday, January 16th at 9:25. So get ready to learn all about psychology. Have a great last few days of your break. Rest up, gear up, and be ready for a successful week of classes. Take care, everybody.